Hello. So in this lesson we are going to create the game engine with leap motion device support. So the idea here is that the player controls the game board with his hands. When he rotates his right hand, the game board will go forward or backward according to the position. If he rotates the left hand, the board will go left or right. So let's start. So we'll first select the game board and we'll add a new script that will be the game engine with leap motion. We can uncheck the engine that we did with the keyboard and we'll go to add component and type engine underscore leap. This needs to be a C# script. Although Unity allows us to mix between the different programming languages, we will make this a C# because it's only C#. Create and add. We'll open it, click on the name. Okay. So first thing, we will use the leap motion. So we need to type using leap. And to use leap, we need a controller to call leap's controller. So we need to type controller. Now I'll just delete the comments. Now on the start, this is when the game starts, when we click on play or the user runs the game. We will declare a new controller. So the controller, leap's controller, will initialize. Okay, now for the update. Like we seen on the last game engine, the update runs every frame, so we need to take into consideration what lines of code we have in here. Okay, so first we need to create a frame. It will be a controller frame. Okay, this associates the controller, leap motion controller, with every frame of the game. So we have a constant check on what the player is doing. And now we need to declare what we suppose will be the player's right hand. So we'll type in hand. We'll call it rightmost. We'll say that inside the frame there's the hand and we want the rightmost hand. We'll do the same for the left. Inside the frame. Leftmost, okay. And now, if Unity detects the rightmost hand, so we'll type if rightmost is right, so we'll try to make sure if it's the right hand, we will perform a rotation. That will be also a transform like we did, a rotation, quaternion, however in here it will be 0, but here we'll use leap motion's properties to see how much the palm of the user rolls, and we'll multiply it by 3 because we want it to go faster. Okay, to make it easier for us to type this, I'll just copy the code and paste it here, and we'll just change some far so it will be the left. And in here it will be the leftmost hand, and this, instead of being in this axis, it will be on the beginning, like this. Okay, so back to Unity. Doesn't seem to have any errors. I'll just type play. Okay, it's rotating. Okay, ball just fell off, but it's working.